There are many different factors that influence climate and climate change on Earth, and one of these is the ocean conveyor belts. So the ocean circulation in the ocean is driven by differences in the concentration of salt in the ocean, and in places where lots of fresh water is coming in, so large rivers, for example, draining off of continental bodies, that will cause a difference in the concentration of salt in the ocean. So whenever you see a big difference in the concentration of salt in the ocean, that will lead to the development of a current. And currents can be on the surface, and they can be deep currents. Another thing that drives currents is differences in temperature. So you can see when water gets cold, it sinks, and then that will cause the formation of a current as cold water sinks and warm water rises. So that also causes the water to mix on Earth. So we've seen in the past, one example, when there was heat circulation in the North Atlantic that caused slowing in the ocean circulation or conveyor belts, there was a period of climate change in Northern Europe as a result of this change to that ocean conveyor belt. So one question that scientists are asking now is what will happen if large ice sheets melt, and then this will impact the driving force that causes some of these currents to form off of especially the areas around Greenland and Antarctic coasts. This could dilute salty ocean water and disrupt some of the mixing that drives these currents, and we could see some stalling of currents, which could definitely impact climates around the world.